Assembly and Startup Master Flux Smart.
Just unpacked, it comes with the metric Flux box already fitted. First, the two-part rear cover must be removed.
Mount the blue nitrous oxide pressure reducer on the blue hose connection coming out of the device. Screw counterclockwise as far as it will go. Fit the white oxygen pressure reducer on the white hose connection coming out of the device. Screw in clockwise as far as it will go. Position the white oxygen cylinder by securing it to the cabinet with the straps. Screw the oxygen pressure reducer with the white hose onto it as far as it will go. Position the white and blue nitrous oxide cylinder and secure it to the cabinet with the straps provided. Screw the nitrous oxide pressure reducer with the blue hose to the end of the stroke. Place the tubes and reducers inside the cabinet so that it can be closed again. Close the cabinet at the rear with the previously removed covers. Cylinders and reducers are correctly fitted. Position one of the 4 green hooks supplied, securing it with double-sided tape on the side of the unit. Orient the hook with the open side facing down. It will serve to support the circuit and the mask. Join the 2 circuit tubes by using the plastic fitting provided. Place the fitting on the green double-sided adhesive hook and connect the tubes to the master flux outlets O and V. Insert the balloon into the dedicated outlet of the Master Flux Smart located behind the outlets and mount the mask, paying attention to the correct positioning of the valves. The input valve is lower than the output valve. Below the output valve is an arrow indicating its direction. Fasten the supplied rubber band on the outlet valve of the mask. Apply a second rubber band to the tube marked V. Couple the mask to the tube by matching the elastic bands and attach the circuit to the green hook already positioned on the side of the Master Flux Smart device. In order to manage the discharge of patient-breathed gases, we can proceed in 2 ways. 1. Remove the red cover located at the bottom on the right side of the device and screw the metal rubber holder there, and then place the black tube provided with the machine. This tube will discharge the excess expelled gas passively. It is recommended to place the end of the tube on the outside. 2. While holding the red cover in place, fit the supplied tube ending with a suction connection in the low space of the machine. Ensure that a click is heard when inserting. The suction end supplied must be connected to the dental unit suction unit using a cannula. Opening the dental unit suction hose will increase the vacuum value in liters per minute, measured by an internal vacuometer in Master Flux Smart. After positioning the circuit on the patient's face, the flow rate of the dental unit suction unit must be adjusted to be equal to the total flow delivered to the patient. To position the mask correctly on the patient's face, first tighten the black elastic support behind the back of the neck. Then place the mask on the nose and secure the circuit behind the dental unit headrest using the green double-sided adhesive hook. To activate the Master Flux Smart, set the system administrator, press the dedicated key, enter your name, surname and optional password, then log in. Select the type of cylinders installed. Repeat for each cylinder change. Press View. Select the 5-liter or 10-liter oxygen cylinder, then click on the date in gray to confirm that the reading has been reset. Repeat the procedure for the nitrous oxide cylinder as well. Activate the autonomy and vacuum display options. Return to the main menu. Select Doctor, then Doctor again, and enter the operator's first and last name. The password is optional. Go to the Patients section, click on a new patient and enter the required data. The fields for date of birth, gender, weight, and height are optional. Save data by clicking on the disk icon in the bottom right-hand corner. Select the patient to be treated. To access the operation screen, press Yes and then OK to save the situation and allow access to the traceability data. The operation screen displays the patient's name, doctor's name, date, time, and battery status. Turn the knobs to observe the total flow dispensed in the center of the upper box. In the same box, further down, the liters per minute of oxygen O2 and nitrous oxide N2O are indicated. In the middle left-hand panel, the remaining oxygen autonomy in minutes is shown, calculated from the flow delivered. The center right panel shows the remaining autonomy of nitrous oxide. Increasing the flow will reduce the available minutes. When the patient's baseline is reached, the data can be saved by pressing the disk symbol in the lower left corner. In this way, the values will be associated with the patient's name and it will be possible to display them for the next treatment, thus shortening the time. At the end of treatment, close the N2O knob and continue with oxygen administration for a few minutes. Then close the oxygen as well. To conclude, press the exit button at the top left, then select Menu and then Documents. Within the Documents section, you can view the complete traceability of the operations performed. The first entry corresponds to the last record. By selecting it, you can access the full details, and by pressing the arrow you can see the minute-by-minute trend with the quantities dispensed in liters per minute and the percentage of nitrous oxide. At the end of the day, perform a complete emptying of the nitrous oxide and oxygen circuits, open the rear crankcase and close the two cylinders. Then, perform an anonymous dispensing from the control panel until the circuits are completely emptied, and finally reset the oxygen and nitrous oxide knobs to 0.